I don't have to wake up tomorrow. I don't have to wake up tomorrow to get to a job and struggle when I don't sleep at night. I suffer with insomnia. Having to wake up 7 or 8 to get to a job is not what I need in my life. I mean, check this out. Look at how I'm able to enjoy my life. I'm able to live the dream of my life. Be able to sit outside and relax. I can stay out here till 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 in the morning and not have to worry about waking up to commute to a job. Imagine for those of us that just cannot sleep at night, or we suffer with mental illness, or we suffer with physical illness. How are we able to get up to commute to a job? We're just draining ourselves. It doesn't have to be like that at all. You just have to live life on your own terms. Live life to what makes life suitable to you. 2-hour workday, that's it. Your business all on autopilot. You sit there and make sales and do absolutely nothing. And be able to provide and give your children exactly what they need. This is the life, my friends. Comment side hustle, here to help, or the link is in my bio.